What up, what up, what up, everybody? It's your boy Money Making Jess with another daily debriefing. It's Friday, November 6th, 2020, and this is your boy Money Making Jess. What's up? It's Friday. It's time to leave all this crap alone. Go out, have some fun, take a breather, read something else, do something else that's not related to trading. Clear your mind for this Sunday. Because by Sunday, we should know who the new president is. Everything's going to be jumping. The market's going to be hot. Things going to be flowing. It's going to be liquid. It's going to be biotto. So get your mind together. Take the next couple of days off. Because you know what? I ain't doing no trading either. But it looks like Biden and Harris will be our new top leaders of the country. I congratulate them. I know they still got a long battle ahead of them with all the different things going on in this country. Hopefully, with their leadership, we can get back to becoming one unit again. Not saying we all have to love each other, blah, 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 but we at least should be able to coexist and maintain a peaceful society for the better good of this nation. Okay? It's that simple, people. Stop making this shit complicated. But, anyways, I want to thank everybody. This has been a good week. Even though I only did one trade this week, which was very profitable because I actually changed some things up. I made my trading plan more cohesive. The time frames, I think, for me in my trading style, and looking through my history and how I trade, how long I let trades last for, I am no longer intraday trader. For Forex, for me, intraday doesn't work. Just because I have so much other stuff going on, I can't sit and watch my charts second by second. I have to let them mature on their own. So I use stop loss and take profits. And I definitely have that down packed now. I re adjusted my position size indicator, which gives me all those figures for me, and I've changed up some things in my risk management. And so far, it's looking good because I tested all those things with that trade I made the other day, and it worked flawless. Not saying it's gonna work 100% of the time, but it's a starting point. Okay, so I'm definitely on that track. So that's why the title of this podcast slash video vlog is Forex Intraday Trading Fail. It failed me in what I was trying to do for my trading style. It may work for you, but for me it didn't work. So I know I don't like the position trading style, so I'm definitely now officially a swing trader. Okay, and I just have to face reality. I mean, that's how I've been trading since I started, mostly swing trading. So I just have to come to the realization that swing trading is for me. Okay, so basically, a swing trade is basically you hold the position for several hours to weeks. Okay, and that's generally, if I looked at my history, all my trades I've been making lately, especially lately, have been multiple hours or multiple days. Very rarely do I trade very quickly with under an hour. It happens, but it's very, very, very uncommon, especially with my new trading plan. That should never happen, anyways. So I can't call myself intraday or scalper anymore. I'm strictly swinging. Okay, I said I'm swinging, people. Swinging on the swing. You know, I used to like being on swings, jumping off, see who can go the highest, the furthest. The good old days when you was at the playground for hours and hours and hours and hours. Okay. All right. So it's all about the pips, baby. Getting your pips up. 'Cause that's how you make your money in this game is the pips. Because you even got to think if you do a lot of scalping and intraday trading, s- I mean the spreads add up. So you got to look at all that stuff, people. You got to look at all of it when you're starting to figure out what type of trading style you want to do because you gonna get taxed if you do that intraday and swing trading. So that's another reason why I stopped doing it because it's like, man, I'm spending a lot of money doing this type of trading. But like I said, for me, swing trading is the way for me. I can't say that for you, but for me, that's what I've decided to do. So I don't know what to tell you guys. It's Friday. So what else is going on, people? So if you look at my show notes, I do have a link to the free Forex trading on my YouTube channel. Highly, highly recommend that. I still don't have a new financial term. I need to find one real quick. I'll have one up there before I post this because spread's been there for 2 days. If you don't understand spread by now, then you need to get out the game. So today's quote is: "If you find it in your heart to care for someone else, you will have succeeded." Maya Angelou. Hmm. Okay, I got it. We gotta love. We gotta love. So far today, what have I done? I'm still working the school of Pipsology. Still in high school, but you know what, people? I'm almost out of high school. I'm like in my senior year. You know what I'm saying? The last final quarter. I'm about to graduate out of high school because I have 43 of the 48 lessons completed. I will be done after this weekend. I may be done before the end of this day. All right. I'm still reading my Forex Trading for Beginners 2020 book that I read on my Kindle Cloud Reader and Cloud app on my phones when I'm driving. I highly recommend you guys get a Kindle Unlimited membership. Link is in the show notes. And also, sometimes you don't want to read, you just want to hear something because it's interesting material, but you just want to hear it. Definitely, Audible is a great solution for that. And the link is also in the show notes. Boom. And also, too, just Google YouTube sometimes because you'll find some good books, especially books written back in the early part of the 1900s. Because a lot of stuff is in public domain now, so a lot of these books you can get for free. You'd be surprised. So just search Google, like financial books, business books, stuff like that. All right, and don't forget, people, I still had that $100 plus bonus trivia challenge going on. You can see all the rules. How do you get into it? What are your rewards? All that stuff is in the show notes. I have a podcast on it. All that stuff. Okay, it's very simple, people. We try to build up this channel, and this is the way I can do it. You know what I'm saying? So let's get on there. Let's get busy. I'm ready for this community to grow. I'm ready to start doing a lot of things with this community. I have a lot of ideas. Have a lot of great plans I want to do with the community. And the community, as you should know, is named the Greenwood District Traders Club, shorthanded just Greenwood District. I do have a website up. It's gwdistrict.org. Right now, it's just a single page, nothing too exciting. I'm currently right now working on getting or trying to find the right membership theme that I can install into the WordPress platform. So, if there's anybody out there that has a recommendation on what's a good membership quote unquote theme or plugin that I can use on my WordPress site, I would appreciate it. I want something simple, something that offers chatting, files, videos. I don't need the glitz and glamour, just something nice, smooth, easy going. I'm a very simplistic person, so I like to keep my things nice and simple and easy to learn. So if you know any good ones, let me know. You can send to me, or you can call me, send it to me, email, DM me. It doesn't matter. Just let me know. I appreciate it. And always, too, if you guys have questions or anything, or need some help, or need some clarification on something, reach out to me. I have tons and tons of social media. I have my number listed on my website. You can call me, text me. I will definitely help anybody who needs help because I really think that this is what this community is for, is helping each other out, learning how to fish so we can continue to make fish piles and get all this money and everything else. But like I said, it's a community effort, people. We just got to learn from each other and adapt to whatever you think will help your winning edge. Okay, that's what it's all about: is finding that winning edge that gets you over that percentage, to where you're winning more pips than you're losing, people. That's what all it's about, getting them pips and keeping them, okay? Because you are going to lose trades. You're not going to win it 100%. Like I be seeing stuff pop up on my screen or email or this and that or on my channel sites. Oh, 100, 101%, 200, 200,000%. In my mind, I'm like, that's impossible. It's not gonna happen. If the banks, I'm talking about the big banks, the institutional, the financial institutions that control this market, I posted a picture of who controls the market. If they can't trade 100% of the time, let's think about this, people. If these major organizations that control the forex market cannot trade 100% of the time the way they want to trade, how the heck do you think somebody, a retail trader, is going to have a system that trades 140%? People, please stop. Stop being naive. Stop being gullible. It's just stop it. I mean, this is there's excuse me. There's an old saying: if it sounds too good to be true, then most likely 99.99% of the time it is. And just because it's on the internet or some person says on a YouTube video or a podcast saying, my system works 100% of the time and I have proof. Okay, like anything else in life, you can make anything appear really on how you want it to appear. If they can make Tupac dance on stage after so many years of his death, they can make you see anything. Okay, so people, if a person isn't, if the only way I would believe something like that, if that person let me log onto their machine, I mean remote into their machine, and they actually show me their trading journal, or they actually show me their trading account, so I can actually see they won 100% of the time or more. I see nothing but green. I don't see any losses or nothing like that. Then I will become a believer. So that's my challenge. If you can do that, people, I'll recant everything. I will buy your systems and I would sell it to the world ends. But until that, I don't think so. People, stop it. All right. Please, somebody buy me a coffee. I need it. Please buy me a coffee. The link is in the description below. And I also like collecting Bitcoin. So if you want to send me some, whatever, it don't matter. I also have my Bitcoin address in the description and also in my show notes. Okay. Enough of that rip rapping and going on. That's really it. And I will be driving for Lyft later. I drove a little bit yesterday. And you know what? It's alright. It's alright. When I got my monthly facial done yesterday, face is feeling a lot better. People, if you don't get facials, man, I don't know what's wrong with you. Just don't know what to tell you. Not like a good facial, I tell you. All right. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? I think that's really it. Yeah, it's Friday, man. It is what it is. So next week we're gonna be focused on getting back to trading. Hopefully, we have a new president or a president assigned or a president elect. Whether way it goes, so I'll be more confident in getting back into trading and go from there. Next week, I'm gonna start looking at more of the economic calendar, learn how I can use that into my trading because I think you need to use both technical and fundamental analysis in your trading. I don't think one or the other beats it out. I think if you blend the two, you can have better results. So I'm gonna look into fundamental analysis. Right now, I'm mostly just technical. So I'm gonna start using a little bit of those tools as well, just to become an overall better trader. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys want to look into that, and also too, I don't know if anybody's used Steam Labs because I'm gonna start doing what I call live demo trading through YouTube Live. So I'm gonna use the program Steam Labs OBS, I believe is what it's called. So I'm working on acquiring that and getting some overlays to make it look kind of pretty for you guys when you guys are watching me. All right, all right. So I guess that's it, people. It has to end one day. And today it ends at 15 minutes and 3 seconds or more. Man, I try to keep these things under 5 minutes, but it's so hard because there's so much to talk about. But whatever, people. I do appreciate your time and everything else. And people, please be more financially free than yesterday. This is your boy, Money Making Jess. Jip.